100 ways.
100 ways to love you. Say, got 100 ways to love you. 100 ways to love you. Hey, 100 ways to love you. I got 100 ways to love you. Leave out your baggage and pack up your luggage. Jump on the flight and we headed to London. Over and over, we do it redundant. Hey, I got you going, I'm keeping you coming. I got you going, I'm keeping you.
All right, 20 minutes.
20 minutes to get through checkpoint. What do you give the what you have?
I had crab bites. They were really good.
1 to 10.
A 7.
And we are at Phillips Seafood at, where are we?
Delta Airlines,
Hartsfield Jackson, the airport.
You know what?
And I give the drink 10 out of 10. What'd you say this was?
The crab bites, minis. They were minis.
Was it worth?
$17 no.
A, B, C gates. For the next train to Terminal 1.
You know, you gotta get the angle, dog. I don't know you catching the angle, dog.
Start off with 113. So that go in this pocket. That's the top pocket you got to pull out. Folks don't think you got no money because you ain't got nothing larger than 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 110, 120. What did you say? 110, 130, 50, 70, 90, 210, 30. Damn, I lost count. You start over. Edit that out the video. Restaurants that you trying to go with, $100 a fucking plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, $500 right now. Ass. Cause I know your card probably coughing right now. I'll be doing that to the time.
Yesterday, the salad and the chicken.
Right on time. Delicious. Especially because I was starving to death, literally. It was delicious. 8.5. Because it didn't come with fries.
It didn't come with fries. I give my burger an 8.5 too. That shit ain't coming with fries either. But this shit was good though.
Yeah, it was good. Favorite part yesterday?
My favorite part yesterday, subject loss. The sleep.
Definitely.
So we did a lot of traveling.
Definitely.
So
Jet lag is for sure a real thing.
I would say the sleep was my favorite part. How was your first lemon drops of night 2?
They were strong.
How you handle
There's
it?
a fight. I'm losing. I'm definitely losing this fight.
And I had IPA. Oh, lemon drop 1 to 10.
I said 10. Definitely 10. Raisin Cane's was good. It was better than Zaxby's. The favorite part was
The bread.
the bread was thick. The sauce was good. The wings or the tenders weren't salty. Like Zaxby's be like high blood pressure, headache.
Choke you. In Vegas, 10 out of 10. Lemon drops, 10 out of 10. You
10
had
out of 10.
6 lemon drops.
I had 4 lemon drops.
It felt like 6.
Definitely felt like
And you
on
fell
your
in the
ass.
elevator.
I did not fall in the elevator. I stumbled inside the elevator.
Same as falling. And then the dispensary was cool.
The dispensary was cool. I almost got kicked out trying to call my daddy.
Yep. No, Vegas is a 10 for me, 9 for you, but
9 for me because we didn't experience the
downtown.
Yeah, and I wanted to go to like a burlesque show or something like that, but Mark don't want to. He didn't want to go.
I don't want to see the snake.
he said all they do is body roll. But they have like shows, like they have contortionists, and it's like a comedy. Anyway, I'll wait till the girls trip to go to the burlesque show.
And
Don't even sit here and lie, because I know you about to start lying.
and
I know you about to start lying.
what about what?
But go on to lie. Go on to lie.
So here in Vegas, we found out that Victoria had a Chippendale fetish.